back, DIYers. DIYers, is that even a word? Anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a wood burning sign, kind of like this one, using a Cricut machine, a wood round, and a couple of other products. Now, if you don't have a Cricut machine, you can use any other kind of cutting machine, or you can order pre-cut vinyls online. So let's get it started. Once we have our design laid out the way that we want it, we're going to put our transfer tape over the vinyl. And you're going to flip it over and peel the back of the vinyl off carefully. So we have our vinyl stuck to our transfer tape. You're going to lay it to the side. You want the sticky side facing up, that way it doesn't stick to whatever you're laying it on. And we're going to gently sand our wood. And once you have it sanded, you just want to dust off the excess of it so it's nice and clean. So once you have your wood sanded, we're going to place our design on the wood. Get it where you want it placed on your wood. And again, you want to just give it a good smoothing. Make sure there's no bubbles. So now we're going to pull off our transfer tape. Careful not to take any of your vinyl with you. You want the vinyl to stay stuck to the wood. So once you get your transfer tape off, we're going to set our project to the side and we're going to mix up some wood burning solution. And our wood burning solution is thickener and ammonium chloride mixed with hot water. The ratio is 5:1, so we're going to take 5 teaspoons of thickener to 1 teaspoon of ammonium chloride, and you want to mix it with the hot water. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of chloride, and then you want to stir it until it thickens for about 1.5 minutes. And by the way, guys, I got my ammonium chloride online at Amazon. It was about 15 bucks, so I'll leave a link in the description where you can get yours too. Now let's get our project. All right, guys, we got our project and our wood burning solution is ready. So next you're just going to paint it on where the wood is showing, but you want to be careful and not to put too much on it so it doesn't bleed through your vinyl. Once you have it brushed onto your design, you want to set it to the side and let it dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. And you want to make sure to cover every part of your design. You don't want to leave any out without getting covered with the solution. Alright guys, we let our door hanger dry for about 10 minutes. You can tell it's ready by this easy look. And now we're going to peel off the vinyl. Once you have your vinyl peeled off, you're ready to start burning. And I'm using this heat gun that I got at Walmart for about 10 bucks. And the more you burn it, the darker it's gonna get.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It's all too all I know.
Alright, and there you have it. Our project is done. Remember, you can use this trick on all types of wood for different projects. And as always, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all next time.